Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can save the contacts in WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. To save the number and to give access to your contacts to your WhatsApp, you have to save their number first. So open your phone book app. Now you have to tap right here on the dial option, and now you have to dial the number. Now you can see create new contact option. To select the name. Now you can see, you can just tap right here on save, and this number will be saved to your phone book. Now you have to open the WhatsApp app. Now you have to tap right here on this icon. Now you have to type on the search bar and you have to search the name which you have recently added to your phone book. You can see this name is appear. Now just tap right here on the name, and now you will be able to send the messages to that person. So this is how you can easily add contacts to your WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.